So make some connections with people around you. You can even make meaningful connections with people online, because this is the advantage of our time period. We can talk to people across the world in an instant and feel a meaningful connection, even though our heartbeats are so very far apart. Seeing the connections made around the world allows for a better understanding of the differences that must be celebrated between us. We all talk to each other differently and have life experiences that no one can replicate, yet we are all the same in these experiences. All of us have had to face the harsh reality of death, be it a beloved pet that has aged perfectly and must pass on, or a loved one who was taken from us sooner than expected. Through life, there are also deaths of moments, like how there is a last time a mother will breastfeed her baby, never to do it again, or a wonderful wedding that came and went, even though the planning seemed to drag on for years. We all have similar experiences. It is how we connect through them that matters. Diving into the lives of others allows us to broaden the perspective of our own lives and see the beauty that lies within. A baby cries and automatically everyone within earshot is concerned. Even the folks who are not parents think about how to solve the need of the crying baby. We make connections naturally. It is that we unnaturally hold ourselves away from the opportunities of growth between us. Feeling down or sick happens to everyone, and having someone to talk to or bring you something to cheer you up during these times can make for the illness to pass by as something that is just experienced. Connecting with others allows for business to thrive, which delivers goods and needs to people all over the world. Someone may have strength in cultivating numbers, but not so much in writing, and their website is lacking because language is lacking. Making a connection with a writer who can aid in formulating sentences that captivate and inform the reader will grow business from all directions. A writer may also need someone to help calculate their earnings and how to price out their work. Can you imagine a writer with no one to write for? Or a business with no buyers? It is essential to draw upon each other in order to make the world flourish with possibilities. Now let's imagine a more gentle connection, that of a baby and his father. Just allow yourself to relax even more now.